The kitchen is one of the hardest working space in your house, but it's also a hard space to renovate. Before you're going to select those beautiful bench tops or your cabinet finish, it's all about the right ergonomics and the right layout. Because you just want to make sure you're working well, as good as you can in your kitchen. I'm here at the Light Kitchen showroom in Willoughby in Penshurst Street, and one of the most important questions my client asked me is, how high is a kitchen benchtop supposed to be? A standard height is 900 millimeters, but it can range, depending on your stature, from 850 to 950 millimeters. And if you're a very, very tall person, unlike me, then you might even go for a bench top at 1 meter height. Another question is, how should this distance be if you want to have an open plan kitchen with an island bench? How wide should this distance be between the back row kitchen and the island? An ideal width is 1 meter 20. That actually ensures if there are two adults in your kitchen, they can pass each other without going sideways. So you see, there's a lot to consider upon when you're designing your kitchen. That's why I collated a document for you. It's a 4-page document and you can get it for free. Just hit to my website, which is martinahayes.com.au, and there's a menu saying for free. Hit this button and then you can download this document which explains so many measurements and dimensions for your kitchen renovation, and it will be then come straight to your inbox. I hope you have fun with your kitchen renovation. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.